In the history of the stock market, the largest drop occurred during World War I in 1929, in which the volume fell by 89%. The world's most expensive share, Berkshire Hathaway's share, which is worth millions of dollars. 90% of the people who do business for one class make losses. If you had entered into a partnership with Microsoft in 1978, your investment would have been worth nearly 8,000 times that. The speaker is considered to be the most rational person to invest in the stock market. If you invest $100 on Wall Street for a year, your total investment could be over $1,000. Stock market gives positive impact and longevity to investors. If you invest in the market even in just 15 minutes, you grow with good profits. After the collapse of the World Trade Center, the stock market had fully recovered in just a few days. The origins of the stock market date back to 1602, when the Dutch East India Company made its first public offering.